everyone, welcome to Building and Barrier-Free Codes. You all know me, I'm Professor Tessa. I wanted to try something a little bit different this week and actually record a video for y'all. I'm trying this in my principal's class, and I really wanted to see if it would help y'all feel like to be a little bit more connected to me since you don't see me on a weekly basis. So I'm going to kind of go through verbally your weekly tasks, so as well as you can read them in the week 6 folder or corresponding folder each week. So hopefully this is something I'll be able to keep up with. I don't know that I'll get to it every week, but if y'all want to give me any feedback, I know they're cheesy. Sorry if I look away. I've got your stuff posted behind just to remind me exactly what we're covering this week. So sorry for any glances off to the side or weird little things I do. But this week we're moving into exiting and egress, means of egress, which is a very important chapter, as this is something that when you're planning your floor plans and really trying to finalize your designs, that we have to be aware of this to make sure that we can properly exit buildings safely, and really understand why that's important when it deals with fire codes and making sure that we've got fire rated walls and proper occupancy loads in each space. So you're going to notice that the chapter for this week, chapter 28, does start to cover the means of egress and a little bit on occupancy codes. It only touches on the occupant loads as well. We're going to continue with that next week. So don't think that if you're a little confused, don't worry about it. We'll go into it next week in more detail. But this week you're just going to read chapter 28 out of your textbook. And this is where, if you purchase the Building Codes Illustrated textbook, if you have this one, this is the 3rd edition. The second one has the chapters as well, so if you happen to have that one. But if you go to page 151, chapter 10, this is where it really comes in handy, because you're going to notice that you're going to find, this isn't the right chapter, but you're going to find illustrations, and it really helps to kind of describe things to you. I find this very helpful, as we tend to all be visual people. So chapter 10, page 151, if you want to start looking at this to go along with this week's readings and assignments. The other thing that you're going to be working on is you do have I've got the PowerPoints posted as well, so make sure you go through those and you mark reviewed, because those are all for your convenience and to help you study, because I do pull questions from those PowerPoints, so don't forget to do those. Then you also are going to have an assignment, so this is going to be assignment 3. So make sure you complete that and get that turned into me by Sunday. And then you have a discussion board which deals with exiting and your thoughts on that. So reading, assignment, discussion board, PowerPoints, and if you want to check out the codes book, you should be good to go. And then also studying for quiz 2. So make sure you're studying chapters 14, 15, and 27, sorry. To make sure you're prepared to take exam 2, quiz 2 next week. And if you have any questions on it, please email me, call me, guys. I'm here for y'all, and I want to make sure that y'all are sending me questions and that nobody's confused, because that's not the goal of this class. But I look forward to talking to y'all next week. Thanks, guys. Bye.